Guys, brown stew, fricassee, home style, country style, whatever you call this chicken, it is one of Jamaican's most favorite chicken. And if you finish off this in the oven, guys, it is gonna be more flavorful and more tender. If you don't believe me, try this one. Starting with some clean, properly washed chicken, I added Maggi chicken season, Maggi all-purpose complete season, and a little paprika. Everything was rubbed in well and let marinate overnight. The next morning, a little olive oil went in my Dutch pot. I then went ahead and add the chicken skin side down to get a nice sear. While that was happening, I prepped all my vegetables: scallion, thyme, onion, tomato, red and green, bell pepper, and some thyme leaf. Now guys, once the chicken reach that nice golden color on all sides, you're gonna go in, take them out and set them aside. I carefully removed the excess oil from the pot. Then I added some tomato paste and let that fry down just to deepen that flavor. In went the scallion, onion, thyme, tomato, and a spoonful of green seasoning. I let that cook until everything was nice and fragrant. Then I poured in some chicken stock, sprinkled a little of this Scotch bonnet pepper. I not even know if I like this, And then we just mix everything together. For extra flavor, I went in with my Worcestershire sauce, some Maggi Jugo, some soy sauce, and a touch of oyster sauce. Once that come together nicely, the chicken went back into the pot, coated with the rich sauce, and cover and add to the oven at 350 degrees for like 45 minutes. Now guys, after that 45 minutes, I took it out the oven. I basted the chicken with the gravy. Then I added some red and green bell pepper. This is definitely optional. I then cover the pot and finish it off on the stovetop until the sauce thickens just right. And just like that, guys, rich, flavorful brown stew chicken. And guys, if you've made it this far, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.